1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 divided 1 upon 2 times 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. How do you solve this? We can see here there are different operations: addition, division, multiplication and subtraction. When there are these number of operations, we have to follow certain order of operation. And this order of operation can be remembered through this mnemonic called PEMDAS: parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You can also follow PEDMAS, which is the same order of operation: parenthesis, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So you can see in PEMDAS there is multiplication and then division, while in PEDMAS there is division then multiplication. So which order to follow, multiplication or division? Let's first follow PEMDAS and see what is the answer. Now there is no parenthesis and exponent, we have to do multiplication first, so it will be 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 divided by, this part will be done first, so it will be 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. Now 1 upon 2, we cannot add first because addition is after division, so first we will divide. 1 upon 2, division gets converted into multiplication and the number after that gets inverted, so it will be 4 minus 1 upon 2. Now 2 times 2 is 4. Now it is 1 upon 2 plus 2 minus 1 upon 2. Now addition, subtraction. So let's add first. We can write 1 as the denominator here when there is no denominator. LCD will be 2, 1 plus 4 minus 1 upon 2, or it is 5 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Common denominator will be 2, 5 minus 1. So 4 upon 2. Answer is 2. So in PEMDAS, we are getting 2 as the answer. Now let's follow PEDMAS. Now when we follow PEDMAS, it says division first then multiplication. So we will do division first. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Division then converts into multiplication. Now it becomes 2. Then times 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. It is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 gets cancelled. Answer is 1 upon 2. So there are two different answers. In PEDMAS you are getting 1 upon 2. In PEMDAS you are getting 2 as the answer. There cannot be two different answers for the same question. Why we are getting different answer? Because you see, multiplication, division, as we have seen, they are reciprocal actions. Division gets converted into multiplication and you can convert multiplication into division. So they have equal priority. We need to solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Now, when you see this division, multiplication, division from left to right, division is first, then there is multiplication. So either you follow PEMDAS or PEDMAS. You have to do the division first because left to right there is division first. Now left to right choice is between this division, multiplication, not with addition and division. You cannot start from left to right from the very beginning and start doing 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. This choice is between division, multiplication, and also between addition and subtraction. So the rule is written like this: parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division together, and then addition, subtraction together. Addition, subtraction is also done from left to right, whichever comes first. However, it doesn't make a difference where you do 4 plus 2 minus 3. From left to right, 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 3, or you just do the subtraction first and then add. 2 minus 3 will be minus 1. So 4 plus minus 1 will be 3. So for addition, subtraction, it doesn't make a difference whether you do from left to right or just do subtraction first and addition first. But for multiplication, division, it does matter. You have to do it from left to right. So from left to right there is division first, so we will do division first. So it will be 1 upon 2 plus, this part will be done first. So 1 upon 2, division gets converted into multiplication, it becomes 2. Then times 1 upon 2. Now you can cancel this and this. Minus 1 upon 2. Now it is 1. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 you can cancel like this, or you can add and subtract them like fractions. 2 here is the common denominator. So 1 plus 1 minus 1 you can write. 1 plus 1 is 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is 1 upon 2. So answer is 1 upon 2 and not 2. In PEDMAS, we were already getting 1 upon 2 as the answer, because by coincidence from left to right we have division, and in PEDMAS D is written first. So it's not that PEDMAS is the correct rule and PEMDAS is the wrong rule. It's that you have to follow left to right rule, whichever order you are following. Thanks for watching.